Hello everybody, I know the title might sound a little clickbait, silly and impossible, but actually that's exactly what we're gonna speak about today. Let me explain you how I plan to never have to work again in my life. It sounds crazy complicated, but you will see that it's actually not this hard to achieve it, it's just a lot of work, which is funny because I plan on never working again, right? And you might be asking yourself, how am I gonna reach this point in life where I should stop working if I don't want to work? Because except if you win at the lottery, there really isn't any way for you to achieve this without working. And you are completely right, because what I mean by not working is pretty much saying not working for someone else. Working for myself, my goals in my life is what I want to do. So I see the word working kind of a negative thing. Not because working is bad, don't get me wrong, but because you probably associate working with your boss, the hours that you're spending every single day in the office. So it's mostly negative because you are working for someone else. Now, if you could switch that up and work for yourself, I believe that it's not even work anymore. If you're doing what you really like and what you really enjoy doing, it's not work anymore. So I will always work, but for myself, my life, and my goals. I will not sell my soul, Satan! It is 100% sure that I will never be able to stop working if I don't work right now. That's 100% certain. But there are actually a few ways and a few strategies that you can implement in your life right now to either reach it faster or just reach it, period. And one of the biggest ways to actually reach this point is to earn passive income. And what passive income is, it's pretty much a buzzword that everybody uses on everything, which pretty much means that you're getting paid for work that you already did and that will still pay you for the rest of your life, or just something that will pay you without you doing any work. So you might be like,
yeah, Alexei, but how can I make passive income?
Yeah, thank you so much for asking. That's exactly what I was going to speak about right now. The first thing that I'm doing right now, and that I believe everybody should be doing for passive income and for income in general, is investing. Have you ever heard this phrase?
You can either work for money or make your money work for you.
One great example about this is dividend investing. If you don't know anything about dividend investing, I'm gonna explain you right now what it is. To make it simple to understand, when you invest into a company that is really profitable and they make a lot of profit this way, they will give you back this profit in forms of cash payments that we call dividend. The cool thing about dividend is that you don't have to do anything else except buying the share of the company, and then they will pay you every single time they pay a dividend. You can see where I'm going with this, right? Okay, look, this right here is the dividend payments that I got from the month of January, and you can see that it adds up to about $90 that I got completely passively by just having money sitting in the stock market. So just to make that clear, I didn't work for this money. I invested money into companies and they were like, thank you so much for buying our shares, there you go, 90 bucks. And if you continue to invest more money in dividend paying stocks, you can actually reach a point in which these payments are so high that this can cover your personal expenses, for example. And it's also a great way to make your money work, because if you have all your money, like most people do, in a savings account that have like a 0.3% interest on it, you are not making money at all. With inflation being about 2%, you are actually losing money by having money sitting in a savings account. Or worst, you can live in Switzerland, just like me, when we have negative interest rate. You literally pay to put your money in a bank. That's just dumb stuff. Okay, let's go back to the topic of never working again. How do I plan to do it? Well, the first thing that's really important, this advice goes for everybody. If you still want to work in your life, that's still something important that you need to know. You need to create multiple streams of income. Hey, just take for example me. I have some money sitting in the stock market that is growing over time in value. I got stocks that pay me dividend payments, and I also got this YouTube channel that, even though it's not monetized yet, is still giving me some income with affiliate links and stuff like this. So I pretty much have about 3 different sources of income. Oh, by the way, speaking about YouTube, that's a perfect transition, guys. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers, and if you guys want to be part of the first 1,000 people to subscribe to this channel, it's the last time. We already reached 900 subscribers like today, so yeah, no time to waste. And if you're asking yourself, what the hell am I speaking about here? Well, it's everything related to money, investment, passive income and personal finance in general. So yeah, I just wanted to plug that here, you know, YouTube stuff, because I treat this YouTube channel as a business, even though we're gonna see a little bit later in this video that I'm not really making money with it at the moment, but yeah, that's gonna be for later on. Now, all the income sources that I just spoke about are just a few of them, and I plan to make them grow crazy in the future and add some new ones. Okay, just by the way, fun fact, did you know that millionaires on average have about 7 different sources of income? So that just proves right here that the more different sources of income you have, the more successful you'll be in your life. So right now, as I said before, if I count my dividend payments, my portfolio in the stock market going up, my crypto portfolio that is still something really new to me that I'm still growing at the moment, and my YouTube channel, I have about 3-4 different sources of income. Yeah, I really need to up my game with that. My YouTube channel is included into these different sources of income, even though, as I said before, I'm not monetized. If you want to be monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, which I don't have at the moment, but as soon as I hit this threshold, I'm gonna be able to make some money with this channel. Even though it's nothing crazy, it's still something that can add up to my income sources. So how many income sources do you guys have? Let me know in the comments down below. I wanna know if you have like only a main job, if you have some side hustles, if you have a business or whatever. But as I said, I'm really proud of where I am right now as a 21 years old. I just turned 21. But yeah, I feel like it's just the beginning. But if you want yourself to start creating a new source of income, for example, by investing, you can go and watch this video that will explain you everything there is to know about how to start investing. Or you can even go and watch this video right here that will explain you how I invested $50,000 as a student and at 20 years old. I really hope to see you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.